I wanted to talk about a product that I got today, and I think it's such a cool product. So it's these wireless sports headwear. This is what the box looks like, and then inside it comes with the headband itself and then a little handbook of everything it does. So what's so great about this is it literally has so many features. It has Bluetooth music, calling, microphones, a stereo inside, and then really far like transmission. So it's like a Bluetooth headphones, which is really great because it's a headband, so it'll keep your head warm, say you're running and it's really cold out. And it's also can play your music inside. So you have in these little sides, there's little like stereos. And then on the top in the middle, you've got your power button, plus and minus buttons. So it's really great because if you're on a run or just working out, you wear this, you can play your music, you can answer calls. It has a microphone so you can talk to people. And this is what it looks like on. It's honestly pretty cute too, and the little stereos fall right on your ears, which is really nice. So this is just a hands-free way, and then you've got your buttons up here. It's all just super functional, and it's a great product, especially in the winter or if you like to run outside. Yeah, I just think this is a great device, and I think everyone should be getting one of these. This is like the new thing, and they're so great, so I would highly recommend.